Are you looking for the best infield gloves? In this video, we will break down the top 4 infield gloves. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Wilson A2000 Infield Baseball Glove. Here comes the most popular baseball glove. It is so popular that some beginner-level players think that it is the best baseball glove they could buy, but it is not. Still, it is a really great infield glove for those who like lightweight, soft and easy to break in gloves. Leather used in this Wilson infield baseball glove is Pro Stock leather, also known as American Steerhide leather. Wilson A2000 infield baseball glove has dual rolled welting and thin heel pad. Dual rolled welting helps in making a durable pocket along with long-lasting break-in, and the thin heel pad is designed for quicker break-in and better closure of the fingers. For people who like a stiffer or harder feel, it is gonna disappoint them. Because it is quite soft and floppy, kids from 11 to 12 years old would love it. At number 2. Rawlings R9 Baseball Youth Pro Taper Infield Glove. Rawlings R9 Youth Infield Glove is made with all leather and comes in a variety of sizes and positions too. This best youth infield glove also comes with Pro Taper Fit that is very helpful for smaller hands kids. The reinforced palm pad is claimed to absorb the hard impact of the ball, and yes, it absorbs the impact very well. There is a padded index finger thumb sleeve in it, which most of the players prefer as it provides padding to the index finger and helps in closing the palm. R9 Youth Pro Taper Youth Baseball Glove comes with 80% factory break-in and 20% player break-in. This makes it almost game ready. Just play a little bit of catching and your glove will be completely ready for the gameplay. This youth glove is a great option for smaller kids like 7 to 10 years old, and also for those who like to have a great all-leather baseball glove with little to no break-in effort. At number 3. Rawlings Pro Preferred Infield Gloves. Rawlings Pro Preferred needs no introduction. We have already declared it the best baseball gloves for every position. It is made with full grain kip leather, which is one of the top quality leather used to make baseball gloves. Its pitted sheepskin palm lining keeps your hand comfortable and dry at the same time. The 100% wool padding helps in forming a good pocket that retains the glove's shape for a longer time. Laces are made with pro grade leather, which are very strong, durable, and long-lasting. It also has a thumb sleeve/pad, which is a personal preference thing. It comes with 30% factory break-in and 70% break-in is left for the player, which is good for some and bad for some. If you are dedicated enough to break in this glove, then you will eventually get a perfect fit infield glove, and if you want a game-ready glove or don't want to put efforts in break-in, then you are gonna end up by quitting and blaming this best infield glove for being too hard and stiff. At number 4. Mizuno Pro Select Softball Gloves. Mizuno Pro Select Fast Pitch Softball Glove is made with US Steerhide leather, and the palm liner is made with Steersoft Elite. Its premium grade leather makes it lightweight and durable and easy to break in completely. There is an additional thumb slot in it where you can put your thumb. Furthermore, it also has an index finger pad that most players would prefer to have in their gloves. Now, the best thing that I liked in this glove is its hand-based pattern that sets your pocket under the web and helps to shape your glove like a pro. Since there is no different variant for the slow pitch player, we also recommend it to only fast pitch softball players. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.